Hi everyone, it's Miss Clark.
I'm Ms. Z.
And really quickly, we're going to introduce you to the platform Jamboard. Jamboard can be used for a plethora of different tasks. Primarily, you need to know it as a virtual whiteboard. So the same things that you could do with like a dry erase marker and a dry erase board, you can do with this platform. And in fact, you can do more since it's virtual. So the first thing you need to know is how to access it. If you go to your drive and you're working with a Jamboard, you'll notice on my screen here, I have one that's active and open. It does save directly to your drive. It saves automatically, so you don't need to worry about losing your work. Now, if you want to start a new Jamboard, you need to go to your Google Apps on your drive and then go down here to what looks like a J mixed with like a music note. That's going to extract you to a Jamboard. Normally, like if Ms. Z and I are doing one with a class, we will give you the link so that you can collaborate on our Jamboard. And that's another feature unique to Jamboard, is that you can have one board that has different workspaces within the board. So for instance, the first week of school, we're going to ask you guys to create your own identity chart on one whiteboard. And so you'll notice up here at the top, it shows you how many people or how many boards are being worked on. And you can navigate between the two. One thing you need to be aware of, that is, if I accidentally added something to Ms. Z's board, that would be vandalizing her space. So you need to be hyper cognizant of what you're touching and making sure that you own that space, because it just, it's rude. So some features for the whiteboard, you'll notice that ours started out just like this, and we had to create what you see now. Primarily what we used are sticky notes. Okay, so if I wanted to add a new trait on my identity chart, like
black hair.
Yes, I think I have like brown hair. Brown, definitely curly hair. Curly. And you'll notice that I can change it to a different color, pink, but I think I'm feeling blue, and I'm gonna hit save. And you can move that sticky note wherever you want it on the board. Other features is you can add an image. You just have to make sure that image is either in your Google Drive or on your desktop, and you can drag it over. You can also create a shape like a circle or add text. One thing that is probably not as useful is the laser. You can play around with it. Basically, if I'm talking to you, I'm saying, hey guys, I love my dog named Sirius. And as if it wasn't obvious where Sirius was, I might be able to circle him just to draw your attention to where he's at on the board. If you want to get back to your cursor, you'll hit the mouse button. And then finally, if you don't want it to be a white background, you can change the background. Let's say if you're in math class and you want graph paper, you can change it to graph paper. And if you just want to clear it all, just hit clear frame and everything will go bye-bye. So that's how you use Flipgrid.